Hello, everybody. This is a quick little tip about what a VA loan is. So, I'm just going to go into a really nice, quick, concise explanation in regards to what a VA loan is. So, what is this? It's actually a guaranteed home loan that is eligible for certain qualified veterans. That is guaranteed. Okay, it's guaranteed by the Veteran Affairs. Okay, so the first thing that people always ask is, how do I qualify? Right. So, how would I know if I qualify for this loan? Now, you have one of three ways that you could qualify as an individual who has served in one of our military branches. So you have 90 consecutive days of service, that is wartime, 181 days of active service during peacetime, or 6 years in the reserves or National Guard. If you are discharged, you must be discharged other than dishonorable. So if you have a dishonorable discharge, you would not qualify for this. Now, another question that a lot of people ask is, does this qualify if I'm looking to buy an investment property? Can I get a VA loan? The answer is no. You have to have an owner, it has to be owner occupied. Okay, so you cannot take out a loan to invest in something or do something of that nature. Okay. Now, also something that I always tell people, some people recall that these were GI mortgages, they would refer to them as. That was a long time ago when they were first originated back in the 40s. And what happened was this was something that was instituted to basically stimulate the economy when soldiers and people in the military branches were coming back from fighting in World War II. So this was something that was instituted to kind of stimulate the economy and allow for there to be some sort of home ownership when those soldiers and people who served in the military came back from serving during wartime. So, what are the two big benefits of this? So, I mean, the huge one is zero down payment is required. You don't require any down payment at all. Okay. Now, there are some lenders, depending on the situation and the programs that they offer, that may request a small down payment. However, on a VA loan, there is absolutely no requirement of a down payment. Okay. The other benefit is that it's assumable. Now, some of your instructors might actually tell you that there's minutia to it, and there is. And here's what has changed in regards to the assumability. So, first and foremost, it can be assumed by anyone. Anyone can assume a VA loan. You do not have to be a veteran to assume a VA loan. Okay? You do have to, however, prove credit worthiness, meaning that you basically have to qualify for it on a credit or financial standpoint, but you do not have to be a veteran. So that is a great, great feature as well, especially if mortgage rates or interest rates were to increase or go to a point where they were maybe back in the late 80s, early 90s. So this could be a really big, important feature that is a great benefit for our VA loans. And guys, that is really the quick, simple, easy explanation. I hope that helped you out. If you like what I'm doing, hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys back here real soon.